दिस इज द मॉर्निंग स्लॉट ऑफ 13th मार्च। टास्क 2 के बारे में पहले देख लेते हैं, ठीक है। मॉर्निंग स्लॉट में क्या था, टास्क 1 क्या था, लिसनिंग रीडिंग के बारे में एंड में बात करेंगे। इन द पास्ट इंपॉर्टेंट नॉलेज ऑफ कल्चर एंड हिस्ट्री वाज स्टोर्ड इन म्यूजियम। नाउअडेज information is freely available on the internet, therefore there is no longer need of museums. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Museums store the traditions and history of our ancestors, as a lot of information regarding this is already available online. Some people believe that museums should not exist anymore. However, I entirely disagree with this notion because museums allow one to watch in person the belongings of famous people from the past and enable us to learn more about their lives. To begin with, museums open the doors of the past because they contain in them the essential and special things of our ancestors. By visiting one, one can actually see the things used by them and store them in their mind. The items seen in person have huge impact on one than the ones seen in images. Therefore, they can motivate one to learn about their ancestors. For instance, National Museum of Lahore has in it the belonging of Mughal emperors. So one can vividly imagine how our elders spent their lives, what were their interests, and much more. Although the online media has all the information of the past and culture, one can only see the images without touching them. Actually, when one touches them, it gives special feelings regarding their uses and makes one emotional, which is highly unlikely by just viewing images, and it creates a special and stronger bond of one with their elders who are not physically with them anymore. Moreover, as there is plenty of information available on the internet, one struggles with identifying the real information because false information is also there. Hence, visiting the museum can never be replaced by just reading out about it online. To conclude, even though internet is easily available and free way of getting information about one's past and culture, it cannot replace the sentiments attached with visiting the museums in person, and it cannot allow one to physically handle things.
Thanks for watching. Here are other 2 videos, you can watch them as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos, and share these all videos among your friends.